Is CoinPayments Wallet safe? Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to CoinPayments Wallet and recommended alternatives are in the description. CoinPayments is a multi-currency wallet and payment gateway designed for individuals and businesses that accept cryptocurrency payments. It supports over 2,000 cryptocurrencies, making it one of the most versatile wallets available. Unlike standard crypto wallets, CoinPayments is primarily a custodial service, meaning it holds private keys on behalf of users. This allows for seamless transactions and integrations with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. However, it also means users must trust CoinPayments with their funds, which introduces third-party risk. Key features include built-in payment processing, low transaction fees, and instant conversion between supported coins. Businesses can easily integrate CoinPayments into their online stores, enabling customers to pay with crypto while receiving fiat or stablecoins if desired. The wallet also includes vault security, which locks funds for a set period to prevent unauthorized access. Who is it for? CoinPayments is ideal for merchants and businesses that need a reliable crypto payment solution. It's also suitable for users who frequently swap between different cryptocurrencies. However, it's not the best option for those who prioritize full control over their private keys or need advanced security features found in hardware wallets. Strengths include wide crypto support, easy merchant integration, low fees, and built-in exchange services. However, there are weaknesses. Being a custodial wallet, users are dependent on CoinPayments security measures, which means a potential risk if the platform is hacked. Additionally, while the service has implemented security features like multi-signature authentication and cold storage for some funds, it does not provide the same level of control and protection as non-custodial wallets. So, is CoinPayments Wallet safe? It offers solid security for a custodial service, but users must trust the platform with their funds. For businesses, it's a great solution, but for long-term storage or large holdings, a non-custodial or hardware wallet is a better choice. Always enable all available security features and use the vault function when possible. Check the links in the description for more details.